This is a quick tutorial showing you how to scrape Google Maps locations through Databar.ai. So today we'll be scraping steakhouses near Times Square. Let's first enter the search query into Google Maps to see approximately the data that we're going to get. All right, this looks good. Let's copy over the search query and head over to Databar. Now when we get into Databar, we need to search for the places scraper by outscraper. Click try me. Now we copy paste the search query into the search query bar. We can specify the number of results that we want. Let's just stick to 100 for now. We'll set the language to English. And let's set the region to US. Now let's click run. Databar returns the dataset in tabular format. All the data in here is already clean and ready for analysis. Let's take a look at the columns. So we have the name, the full address. We have the latitude and longitude, their site, their website, their phone number, description, category, subtypes. Let's take a look at those columns. In addition to that, we also have the ratings, the number of reviews, the number of photographs, and you can also get the reviews per score. So this one tells you how many reviews set kind of any particular score. Great. Now that the data looks good, let's download it. And we're good to go.